How you doing, guys? So I'm back. I'm here to set this camera up. First, I'm going to install the app. So basically, it gives us a QR code to go to scan, and that should take us to the URL that we need to go to install the app. Alright, so that is the URL right there that we need to copy. Alright, after it's been scanned, so I can close out of my camera and then open up my browser. Alright. Alright, so that basically, the URL will shoot us over to Google Play, the Google Play Store, and then we can install this bad boy. So right now it's installing the Arlo Secure Home Security app on an Android phone. Alright guys, so it's finished installing. Let's open up the app. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Bear with me for a second. So it's a situation now. I have to set up the two-factor authentication. I'm going to use my phone to do that through SMS text messaging. So I'm going to select that and click Secure My Account button. Okay, so from here, it looks like it wants us to enter in our phone number while it's thinking. So it looks like it's going to automatically grab my phone number. Well, no, it's not. I got to enter in my phone number. So hold on for a second. I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right. It's verifying right now. So I've entered in the code, and then I'm just going to be like, trust this device. It'll basically add this Android phone to my account, and it'll remember it, and it'll be a trusted device. Okay, so you got to give it you got to give the trusted device a name. I'm just going to put mobile phone is the name I'm going to give it. Okay. Alright, so it asks you for a location. I'm just going to put home. Office. Going to put home office. And continue. While it's asking for a physical address, I'm just going to skip that. It's asking for a time zone, which is Eastern time. Okay, so that just kind of sets up your profile. It's definitely asking for a lot of information. Alright, so here's where you basically configure it to where you can enter in the camera or, doorbell camera, security system, lights, base station hub, or bridge. We got a camera. Okay, so I have the Essential series, so I'm going to click that. Okay, so as you can see, I have the second generation. It's the first selection, Essential camera, second generation. Alright, so basically now it wants me to pair it with the sync button. Alright, the sync button is here on the top, and it's asking me to confirm if I do have a sync button on the top, which I do, so I'm going to hit continue. Alright, so basically it's asking me to turn on my phone's location service, which I'm going to allow the app to do. I'm going to hit allow location services, and I'm going to say allow. Okay, now I'm going to hold down this button on the top for 3 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to hit continue. So you can see the blue light flashing, so it's syncing up, and it's finding it. So there you go. It's synced now, and it even tells us the battery level of the camera. So so I'm gonna go ahead and hit continue. All right, so there we go. We found a network that we're already connected to. I select it and I hit continue. Okay, so right now I got to enter my Wi-Fi password, and I'm going to do this off screen. Hold on for a second. Okay, so it's connected to the Wi-Fi now after I entered in my password. Alright, looks like it's working, guys. Alright, so there we go. So now it's a situation it wants me to name the camera. Give it a name. So this is going to be at the front door. So this is synced now. So I'm going to put this down. And I'm just going to type in front door. Hit continue. Alright, now it's checking for updates. And it's come to the realization that the camera's up to date. The Wi-Fi signal is strong. So I hit continue. Alright, so then basically it takes me through a demonstration of how to mount the thing to a mount. We'll do that in the next video. That'll be part 3. So I'll hit continue. And there we go. It's just showing us the little GIF of how to do that, along with the instructions. Like I said, we'll do that next video. Alright, so there we go. There's the camera. You can hear the echo. The camera's on the floor. You can see that there's video to it. So I'm just going to hit continue. And then the camera is now active. Alright, and then I hit finished. Okay, guys. So that is how to basically do the setup. Basically install the app on your phone, and then basically sync your camera to the app. So now the camera's set up and ready to go. So in the next video, I'm going to basically show you guys how to mount the camera. Alright, thank you very much.